Welcome to Build a Simple File Upload App in Next.js, an autism-friendly coding tutorial where we'll learn how to accept files from a form and save them to disk. We'll move calmly, explain every step, and you can pause whenever you need. By the end of this video, you'll have a working upload form built with Next.js. When you choose a file and click Upload, it'll appear in your project's Uploads folder. We'll do this in 3 short steps: create the form, build the API route, and save the file. Let's start with step 1. Inside page.tsx, we'll create a simple upload form. We import useState to hold the selected file. On submit, we prevent the default page refresh, build a form data object, and attach the file if one was chosen. Then we call fetch using the post method and include the form data as the body. Here's our first micro win. The form runs without errors and gathers the file correctly. When we click Upload, the fetch call tries to reach our API route. It fails for now, and that's expected. We haven't created the route yet, but this shows our front end is wired up and working. Now we'll build the backend route that receives our uploaded file. In your project, open the app folder and create a new folder called API. Inside API, make another folder named Upload File. Then inside Upload File, create a new file called route.ts. In route.ts, import next request, next response, and write file from fs/promises. Request.formData reads the multi-part form we sent from the browser. We grab the file with formdata.get as file. This gives us the same kind of file object the browser had, but now on the backend. Then we convert it to a node buffer with buffer.from_await file.array buffer. And finally, we use write file to save the uploaded file into a folder named uploads, which we'll create next. Here's our second micro win. The upload works end to end. The API route receives the file, converts it to bytes, and write file successfully saves it to our uploads folder. Now you have a complete working file upload pipeline. Nice work. You built a functional file upload app in Next.js. You made a client form that sends form data, built an API route to process it, and saved the file locally using Node's write file. Those 2 micro wins, the form logic and the finished upload, show exactly how the front end and back end connect. In upcoming videos, we'll upgrade this project to handle streaming uploads and later cloud storage. If this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and as always, let's keep learning and growing together.